Yes, so 1% of the yes, basically. It is not supposed to lose his originality. So for that, basically, we have to send the power supply. Basically. So 1% told that the France basically continuously giving the power supply. Otherwise, that building basically is going to fall. Basically. So you can just imagine basically this 55 building basically are connected with the France Energy, one of the power plant basically. And this basically they test it basically also. They basically test it also. Basically. How they basically that I don't know basically. But they periodically test also. Sometimes basically 1% will say, "Arey yaar, the earthquake basically came to Mumbai, but it has not affected to this whole area basically. Why? Because the power supply which was coming basically, that is coming from that country basically, and that building basically is created by that country basically. So 1% told that yes basically. So here 1% told that the France group basically has created around 100 human needs. So this is the business basically, purely business basically. If they feel that basically the business basically is not going properly basically, then basically the government basically decides. First basically they decides on the basis of peace basically. That we have decided basically when the building was getting approval that we are going to give this all human needs to you, but they are not used by the public basically. So why that basically? So they will get the reason, then they will. So this basically connects to sales industry basically, the business administration basically, the business analysis basically, who are into the business basically, who are specifically connected with the database. So here basically the data group basically comes into the business analysis basically. So next question.